Mastering slick skills. Understanding smooth operator. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a popular English phrase, be a smooth operator. This expression is often heard in conversations, movies, and even songs. So, if you're ready to add another cool phrase to your English repertoire, stay tuned. Be a smooth operator is a phrase used to describe someone who handles situations with ease, skill, and tact. This person is usually very charming and can navigate through difficult or tricky situations without any trouble. The key characteristics of a smooth operator include being confident, persuasive, and calm under pressure. It's important to note that this term can have both positive and negative connotations depending on the context. In a positive light, being a smooth operator can mean that someone is highly competent and efficient in their field or in social situations. For example, a diplomat who can negotiate peace deals without causing offense could be considered a smooth operator. On the flip side, the phrase can also carry a negative implication, suggesting that someone is manipulative or uses their charm for deceitful purposes. Think of a con artist who tricks people into giving him money. Let's see how this phrase works in different contexts. 1. Positive. She managed to get us a table at the fully booked restaurant. She's such a smooth operator. 2. Negative. He seemed nice at first, but it turns out he was just a smooth operator, only interested in scamming us. Understanding the context is key to interpreting whether smooth operator is meant as a compliment or a caution. The phrase, smooth operator, was popularized by the song, Smooth Operator, by Sade. In the song, it refers to a sophisticated man who breaks hearts everywhere he goes. This song has contributed to the widespread use and understanding of the term in English-speaking cultures. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, be a smooth operator. We hope you found this video helpful and that you're now more confident in using this phrase in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is all about discovering new ways to express yourself and understanding the nuances behind each phrase. Don't forget to practice, and see you in our next video. Happy learning!